All right, good morning, guys, and voila, we finally got everything straightened out here, right way, and get it resolved so it's good. Oh man, just got one little other thing we got to connect and fix, and we should be good, and it's good. So we got 4 new Interstate batteries. We had it done yesterday at the Love's in Davenport, Florida. And they gave us an 18-month warranty on the batteries, installed and everything. It's right around $950, but it's done. It's done, and get this Volvo thing in there. Okay. Gonna lock them in there, so it's good. So guys, it's done. It's starting right up. Let's do a check right here. See how it sounds and the strength. We let the trailer ABS do its thing. Always let it cycle through, as you can hear. Give it a good 30 seconds, maybe even 40 seconds, so everything's powered up correctly. And now we let it crank. So, guys, I've been experiencing issues with the truck the last week again, and I got tired of it because it was just getting frustrating. I was actually not getting the rest I needed to get because, as dumb as it sounds, is I was idling the truck when I didn't need to. Okay, the weather was good, and as you can see, like my windows there in the back, I like to have them open and enjoy the fresh air, you know. Always using that AC and that kind of stuff is not good for you. I get cases of like acute bronchitis, and in the summer I try to cut down on the AC. It's nice when it's working right and everything, but if you can avoid it, you save fuel and you breathe fresh air. Some of that mountain fresh air, like let's say you're up in Flagstaff or the Tennessee mountains and that kind of stuff. It's really good. So it's fixed, guys, now, and I don't have to stress. I can rely on it. And guys, if you're having experiencing issues, sometimes it can seem symptoms of a bad starter and stuff. Get your batteries checked out. It's the summer heat. We're down here in Florida, and you know how the Florida heat will just tear up these car batteries and that kind of stuff. So it's hard to get a lot of warranty out of batteries for commercial trucks, but 18 months is not bad. I mean, I've had them replaced on another truck I had down at the TA, and they only gave like 3 months warranty on the batteries. So imagine you spend all that money on batteries and only get 3 months warranty. That's not too cool. So I did the best I can. I like dealing with Love's because they usually get you in and out and you're done. And when you can get that kind of warranty, and what they told me was it doesn't have to be at Love's. You know, their sister store is the SpeedCo, so that'll work. But they told me I could go to Interstate. So anybody that sells Interstate batteries, and they'll be covered. So 18 months, no proration, no questions asked. It's done. So you have to consider these things, you know. Every day you lose, you're not rolling on the road, you're losing money. So now we're going to start saving money from idling, and it's gradually going to pay back for the batteries, okay? It's just simple as that, you know? So guys, I'm like Yogi Bear right now. I'm in hunt of my breakfast, and though I parked here at the McDonald's, I don't know if I want to eat here. I like the Wendy's breakfast. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a mix and match. I'm going to go over here to the Wendy's next door and go ahead and grab their chicken, butter, not biscuit. Yeah, they do have it in a biscuit, but that's what we're going to do. So let me go eat. Guys, I hope this helps you out a little bit. And remember, if you have the time and like you want to save money, take the batteries out of the truck. You can go to one of the local auto parts stores, and what they'll do is they'll check the battery for you. And the first thing is you got to figure out if it's a maintenance battery, meaning are the caps removable on top where you can add not water but battery acid. So let them check the level of that. Okay, make sure you're good. Then you recharge them. Don't recharge them, then check. Check the level of that first. Now, in the case on my batteries is there was a lot of over invasion of battery acid formation eating away at the terminals and whatnot. And like I said, we've been having issues. We actually had one of the batteries replaced under warranty, and it just wasn't enough. That was a couple months ago, and it kind of like ate away a little bit at the other batteries, causing more of an issue. So pay attention. When your truck doesn't start one time, there's a reason for it. It's not just a fluke. Like I said, a lot of symptoms are similar to a bad starter. You know, you can have a not good charging system, or your battery terminals are loose, not cleaned up and that kind of stuff. Or like I said, your battery fluid inside the acid is not topped off right. So you got to check all them stuff and make sure that's good, charged, and you take it from there. Okay, but I'll tell you one thing, don't be cheap. If you need a battery or two, you know, guys, just reach in the pocket a little bit further. Do yourself a huge favor, man. Don't mix and match your batteries. Get all the same so the power is equal there, and the brands and the warranty. So if one goes bad in the future, you're covered. If they all go bad, you're good, man. That's the way to do it. I know it hurts. It's like going to the dentist and getting a tooth pulled, but that's what you got to do. You know, hey, good morning. Appreciate you. Now, you see, I parked at McDonald's, but I came all the way over here for the breakfast. God bless you. How you doing? Really good, really good. Oh, yeah. Appreciate it really, too. Okay. Good morning. I really appreciate it. Good morning, man. Everybody's happy here. Man, I want to get my bags and move in, you know. That's really good. That's really good, you know. You got a good crew working here. That's great. I think I'm going to go ahead and order your number one. Yeah. What I'll do is, let me just get the sandwich. Okay. That'll be good. Appreciate it. And that'll be the door. That'll be all. Huh? Yeah, because I like their iced coffee next door, so I'm going to smuggle your sandwich over to McDonald's territory, you know? All right. And that'll be all. I'm sorry?
May I get the name for you?
John. John the driver, like on my YouTube channel. All right. Well, guys, let me go. All right, guys, let me go. Enjoy yourselves. Take care of your truck. Take care of your belly. And God bless. Hey, give me a sign off here. John the driver. Get some subscribers for me. Come on, give me a good one. John the driver.
John the driver.
Thank you very much. God bless you.